Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we are going to make Doritos Nachos. So for this recipe, you will need Doritos, of course. Any Doritos of your kind, like any kind of flavor that you want to use. I just prefer the nacho cheese. Tomatoes, diced. Cheese, shredded lettuce, hamburger, which I found my hamburger on sale at Walmart for $5.61. Yay me. And my sour cream. So let's get started. I'm going to place my hamburger in my frying pan and I'm going to ground my beef. And for this recipe, you can ground your hamburger completely and you can use taco seasoning packs if you like, but I'm gonna season my hamburger on my own, so I just use like a little of everything. So you can use whatever you like, but I'm using some black pepper, so I'm gonna season it with some black pepper. I have some kicking chicken here by Weber's. I have some Weber's Chicago steak seasoning. I have onion powder. I have Italian seasoning. I have some Weber's burger seasoning. And I have some Kingsford garlic and herbs all-purpose seasoning. And all I'm going to do is allow my ground beef to brown. Our hamburger is browning. Now that our hamburger has browned completely, at this point, you know, you can taste it and see, you know, what you want to add. You definitely can't take away, but you can see, you know, what you want to add. I normally add crushed red peppers, cayenne seasoning, Cajun seasoning, but since my son is eating and he don't like spicy food, I did not add that in here today. So all we're gonna do now is just drain the grease off our hamburger. Now that I have strained all the grease off my ground beef, I'm just going to layer my Doritos Nachos. All we're gonna do now is layer it. So place a little hamburger. Your Doritos, your ground beef. Lettuce. Your cheese. Salsa, if you desire it. And sour cream. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my Dorito Nacho recipe. I consider this one of my 10-minute meals. It's very easy, it's very inexpensive and quick. I will be having more 10-minute meals on later videos. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.